The FBI isn't wrong. The U.S. government not only has a right,
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for northern and central Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 1:15 a.m. At 9:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Drainage will be difficult in many coastal areas due to high tide. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Miami, Hialeah, Miramar, Miami Beach, Coral Gables, Key Biscayne, South Miami, Surfside, Virginia Key, Kendall, Miami Gardens, the Redland, North Miami, Doral, North Miami Beach, Aventura, Miami Lakes, Hialeah Gardens, Sunny Isles Beach, and Pinecrest. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
For eHealth. The other